In today's video, we're going to be meal prepping for the upcoming week. The way I meal prep is simple, repeatable, and affordable and makes eating healthy easy without even trying. Do this if you want to easily lose weight and gain muscle. I'll be breaking down a cost analysis at the end of the video, so keep watching till the end. Alright, so first off, I'm sectioning a pound of ground beef into 4 segments that will become our patties. I choose beef over other protein options like pork or chicken because it is richer in fat-soluble vitamins and minerals that are going to help give us more bang for our buck. On top of that, chicken and pigs are monogastric animals, meaning they don't have the digestive system that cows do to be able to break down toxins found in their food from corn and soy. So unless you're eating pasture-raised, corn and soy-free pork or chicken, go for beef instead. As a tip I learned from Guy Fieri, to make the perfect burger, use your thumb to round off the edges so it's uniform and no parts are sticking out and or thinner or thicker than the rest. That way it cooks evenly, distributing the heat across the entire burger, giving you the best burger bite experience. We're going to Flavor Town, baby! From here, just patty the rest of the segments. I also turned the stove on low to preheat the pan. Also, if you've never cooked with meat before, you want to let it sit out so you're not cooking with cold meat, otherwise it's going to stick to the pan. And be sure to use cast iron or stainless steel. I'm using cast iron in this video, and the reason you want to do this is because non-stick pans have a chemical coating. These chemicals are toxic for humans and leach into your food. Cooking with non-stick pans will lower your testosterone and lead to other health consequences. So stay away from them entirely. Okay, I had some extra meat to add to even more meal prep, so I'm gonna roll these up and then we'll start cooking. All in all, this process took 5 minutes and is gonna set us up with a lot of extra food for the week. That way, when you get home from work, you don't compromise your health, and instead you prioritize your health by making eating healthy the easy option. Okay, now our patties are ready to cook. So we're gonna turn the oven to medium-high heat. Okay, now this part isn't necessary, but I like to add some oil to the pan to even further reduce the chance of meat sticking to the pan. I like to use coconut oil, but you can use other high smoke point cooking fats such as ghee or tallow. Just don't use butter because it will burn, which you don't want. And certainly do not use vegetable oil to cook with. Vegetable oils oxidize easily when exposed to air and become adulterated when cooked due to the fragile nature of these extremely short-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids. Cooking with vegetable oils like corn, safflower, canola are all going to give you inflammation, lower your hormones, and just give you a really bad time. Once your pan is hot, go ahead and add the patties, making sure to evenly space them out. Now, we're doing this because we prioritize our health, right? Well, let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Embrace your fitness goals by getting shirtless and repping out some incline push-ups while your meat cooks. After about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how well you like your patties cooked, flip them over. You should see a nice brown crust formed. We've got more time to kill, so it's time to hit the air squats. Feel the burn, baby! Great job. Now once your meat is fully cooked, transfer the patties to a plate. That way they can cool before you put them into your storage container. Now I've got a couple extra patties cooking, but in the meantime, after all that hard work we just put in, it's time to eat some food and get our protein all dressed up. Keep in mind, we haven't even gotten to the cost analysis yet, but as I'll show you, eating this way is very affordable and easy for anyone to copy and use themselves. For some extra protein and health benefits, I sprinkle on some beef gelatin. It's flavorless and adds a little texture while promoting muscle growth and fat burning. Not necessary though, as this will increase the total cost of the meal. Next, you're going to want to salt to taste. Personally, I like my beef salty, so in this case, more is better. Not to mention, salt is great for your health and improves digestion. Now, we've got plenty of fat and protein, but this wouldn't be complete without some carbohydrates. I like to add honey to my meals because it's easy and takes no work at all. You're going to want something that's affordable and takes little to no work. Some other simple and easy to make carb sources are going to be white rice or potatoes. Okay, now I'm going to give a quick cost analysis so you can factor this into your budget next time you go grocery shopping. A pound of ground beef for me costs about $4, and my carb source of choice, honey, I get for about $6 a pound, which I maybe use 4 tablespoons per meal. That right there, if you eat half a pound of meat per meal, which I don't consistently do every time, will only cost you about $3.50 per meal. Eat that twice a day and drink milk to fill in the gaps, along with a few pieces of fruit, maybe easy fruits like apples or oranges, and you can easily eat healthy for less than $10 a day, the price of going through fast food once. Also, these are a little bit spendy, but I found these awesome avocado oil cooked sweet potato chips, and they are the bomb. Now, I would never recommend you store your meat in plastic, but it's all I've got right now, so you gotta do the best that you can do. But glass is gonna be best so that you don't get any plastic leaching into your food. All in all, from prep time to cooking to the finished product, it only took about 25 minutes, and I've got plenty of meat to last me a few days before I repeat the process. Tomatoes are an easy and cheap way to add some extra flavor and some nutrients, which I love to dice up and add on top of my meat. For a little crunch and some more flavor and gut health benefits, add a pickle. Adding some fermented foods is a great way to increase brain health by improving the microflora of the gut. I hope this video helped you see how easy it can be to make health a priority, to easily lose weight and gain lean muscle mass. Please let me know what you think of the strategy in the comments down below, and let me know if you'll be trying this out yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic health tips and ways to easily lose weight and gain muscle. Thanks for watching.